Masdar City is a global reference point for sustainable urban development, a world-class business and technology hub. In 2025, we are delivering more than 13 projects because we received a high demand from our tenants to be part of our family, to join Masdar City Free Zone and realize their dreams. So we are delivering in 2025 the Link and MC Square HQ. The Link is a cluster of 5 commercially viable, sustainable buildings. We have office buildings, residential building, auditorium, and the focal point is the co-lab building. It will be a net zero energy building. The second cluster is MC Square HQ, and MC Square cluster, it's close to the Arena building. It's a cluster of 7 commercially viable, sustainable buildings. They are all built according to the highest standard, targeting LEED certification, LEED Platinum, ISDAMA 4 which is the Emirati Green Building Rating System, and WELL Gold. WELL focused mainly on the well-being of you, of me, and the future investors. The focal point is MC Square HQ, is a net zero energy building and will be the home of Energy Department of Abu Dhabi. Since the very inception, we've been tracking and monitoring our embodied carbon footprint of our buildings. Since the very inception, we're trying to reduce the embodied carbon of our buildings. The magical formula behind it is collaboration plus right materials. Collaboration with the team who are working hard to make it happen. Designers, engineers, and construction engineers. Second part is sustainable materials with low carbon footprint. The major contributors is steel, concrete, and aluminum. Those 3 materials, we coordinate with our design team to choose low carbon materials. So for the cement, we use cement with low carbon footprint, for example, using some additives like high GGBS or fly ash. For steel, we collaborate with our team to choose steel with high recycling content. This way, they help us to reduce the carbon footprint. Same thing for the aluminum. We coordinate with our design team and contractor team to choose aluminum with low carbon footprint. The happy news is that all those materials are sourced locally and they are manufactured in the UAE, which is great. And it's a win-win situation. Win for us because it helps us to cut down the emission for the embodied carbon, and win for the local economy because we are contributing to the development of the local economy. As I mentioned before, Masdar City is the home of one of the largest cluster of LEED Platinum buildings. And as part of this, we take into consideration the air quality. In air quality, how can we make it happen? In a simple way, the AC that we have in this room, we take into consideration the filtration system, the type of the filters, and how it is filtrated, the ratio between fresh air and recycled air. We push the bar high, and we are targeting WELL Gold certification, where the requirements for indoor air quality is more stringent. We are able to meet those requirements in a very commercial, viable way. The key message here is we were able to do it. So you can do the same, and you can even do better. The main goal is deliver a healthy air to our tenants and future investors. In 2025, we received a high demand from our tenants and investors. That's why we are delivering more than 13 projects, and we are building at speed ever. Moving forward, we will continue to shape the future, deliver more sustainable and commercially viable buildings. And as part of our mission is outreach. So we are in charge of the technical part, we collaborate with the team to design, build, maintain, and we reach and we receive a lot of delegations from around the world where we are sharing our story and we are inviting them to do the same. And that's our contribution to the world, that we are inviting VIPs, presidents, prime ministers, high-profile delegations, business leaders, and also young students to join our race against climate change, to build more sustainable buildings. And we feel so happy when they do the same in their home country. That's a tick mark for us that we achieved our goal to deliver a global benchmark for sustainable urban development.